Hi everyone, welcome to Best Art Creations. Get ready to draw amazing sea animals. Join us as we explore the ocean wonders through our sketches. Let's start. First we are drawing a shark, big fish with sharp teeth, and it's very fast. Next we are drawing an octopus, a squishy creature that hides everywhere, but it's super smart. After the octopus, we are drawing jellyfish. Floating jelly with long, wavy arms, and it glows in the dark. Can you guess who is this? It's a sea turtle, a giant turtle swimming slowly, but it's super strong. Next one is Starfish. Spiky sea star with lots of arms, and do you know it comes in many colors. The last one is crab. Sideways walker with a hard shell, but it's really good at digging. Now, let's dive into a world of colors and bring these sea creatures to life. And it's done. If you enjoyed our underwater art journey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative adventures like this. Bye bye.